This is a very popular item on the market, and I only have an iPhone 12, and I'm going to try to help you out in the very simple answer. How are you hooking up your phone to the unit? Are you just simply taking this as is with no cables and charging your unit and thinking it's going to work that way? You're going to have to, one, turn the unit on. You're going to have to grab a cable that's USB-C plugged into a 5-volt 2-amp outlet. Plug it into the back of the unit to the port that shows a red light indicator over here. And then you're going to take your phone, make sure if it's with the case or not, it must have wireless charging. You're going to place it on, and when it lights up, you're good to go, charged. You don't have to be hooked up to Bluetooth to use the wireless connection. Many people out there are saying, my phone don't work, and this is the phone. And my answer is going to be, make sure you have your cable plugged into an outlet that is 2.0 amperage. It is not going to be a fast charge, as you see. It's going to be a charge on the unit. I have a 65-watt charger. I plug it in, and I still get the same exact charge, as you see here. It takes about 5 seconds to acknowledge, or so. My phone may already be charged, and that's why you may not see it charge again. If you take off the cable or lose power, battery operated will not charge your phone. Again, it must be plugged in to an outlet with the USB-C in the back.